Hi, wherever you are in the world. My name is Far. I'm the CEO of Farbit Solutions, and we're not a typical engineering company. So for today, I'll be introducing our leaders, and they are.
Hello, what's up guys? I'm Hanis, the marketing lead for Public Solutions. And as for this week, which is on week 4, I have already explained to the interns, which is Bernard and Prasan, regarding the funnel system and how the system will work. And as for the task for this week, is they need to create a landing page for our client by implementing the funnel system.
Good day. It's week 4 and here I am with another video for our weekly video. So let's get into it. For Monday, it was a public holiday, but we still had a Google meeting. So the agenda for the meeting was to discuss a few tasks to be assigned in week 4 and also an update on our database project progress. Following that, we were actually given a template. So what we did was modify a template that was existing. We had to customize and personalize with our tasks that we have completed in the previous weeks and to update the minutes form for upcoming tasks as well. So once that was done, we had a discussion on the tasks that we were going to carry out on the very next day. So our plan on the very next day was to have a trip to the MRT HQ, and along the journey we were supposed to learn on how the MRT system worked. The next day, Tuesday, we went on the trip. So the aim of this trip was to obtain the basic idea on how the MRT system worked. And throughout our journey, we also were supposed to distinguish the experience on an LRT and an MRT. So upon approaching the headquarters, we actually planned to visit their IT manager for further briefing, but we were out of luck that day, so that didn't happen. So that was pretty much it for Tuesday. So Wednesday was the day that we continued our day with the basics of database. So that was the day I started to learn and expose myself to the basics of database, in which we had to look up what made the database and what languages that we were going to use. So that was pretty much on Wednesday. We didn't do much, but we were allocating some time for our database project. Thursday, once again, we had a meeting via Google Meet, and this time it was a briefing regarding a marketing strategy called funneling. So we were actually given a small brief on how funneling worked and how significant it was in marketing, followed by task allocation for 2 landing pages to be made. So that was pretty much on Thursday. Friday, we continued to check on a few websites to see how they differed in their funneling strategy, and I've been looking on some database notes to improve my understanding on how to start off with our database project. So we're just getting the basic idea, and throughout this week I want to make sure that I have some idea before we get into work by the next week, before we present our first findings for the database progress. And that will be it for week 4. To sum up, thank you very much. See you in the next video.